How to play chess in Discord with your friends. First of all, you need to create a gaming server. You need to go down in your settings. You need to click on this plus option, add a server, and here you need to click on gaming and create a server for my friends. You just need to tap on this and click on create. It is very easy. So I have already created one server. You can see this is my gaming server, friends server, Praveen. So this is my gaming server. I just need to tap on this. So this is my gaming server, and herein you will get an option. You need to click on start an activity, and I have created a separate video as well to create a server, gaming server specifically. So now you will get an option to chess in the park. So just tap on this, and now you will get entered in the game. So it will load you the game, and you can again share the game with your friends, or you can also play with online players, and you can also share it with online people or your friends. It's up to you. So you can see this is waiting, so it's now started. So you can make it bigger as well. So this is the gaming, this is my players, and it is waiting for opponents. So at the top you can see there's an option to share as well. So you can share it from here, invite to activity. So you can invite your friend directly from here, or you can copy the hidden code from here and send it to your uh, friends. So you can invite as a guest as well from here. So it is very good way, and you can enjoy this game, and you can enjoy chess online with your friends in Discord. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.